1, 2, 3. Go, go, go! You guys are awesome, right?
Yeah.
You're the best boys ever.
Yeah, but we can't see Isaac.
Where's Isaac at? Oh, there he is. Good thing we can see Isaac now because he's super duper, right? Now I can see all of you. We're gonna go look for some mud. I don't know if we'll find any that
Bloodworms.
is dry enough to drive on. It's been raining a lot, so the water might be too high.
Dad, can we get out?
Well, if we get stuck, you can, right?
Yeah.
Because it takes a long time to get unstuck sometimes.
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Do you like getting stuck?
No.
Why not?
Because then we can get home very fast.
Oh. Alright, so we found this mud spot a long time ago when we used to live over here. And we got stuck back here once, so we'll have to see if we get stuck today. Sometimes the water can be really high, so, and it has been raining, so.
I see a little bit of puddles.
Oh, I think I see something. Oh yeah, I see something up there.
Yeah, I see, look, there's like a swampy looking
Yeah, there's
over
a
there.
swamp over there.
It's interesting.
That, Mommy, guess what?
Whoa.
Cool, so I think we're gonna be able to do it, because...
Should I get out in video so it looks like you can actually see what's going on?
Yeah, you probably should get out in video. Look at Eleni out there getting the perfect shot. Alright, here we go.
Kind of nice little puddle here. He splashes me again when I kick his butt. It's always fun to have mud on the tires, right? Oh. Hey! Passenger! Passenger! Oh my gosh. That was so freaky.
One of these holes might be surprising. I mean, that one already was. I had to do that because of the overhanging tree. It was I could have just cut the tree down, but instead I just tried to avoid it.
It's
pretty much dead anyways.
Yeah.
Anyways, that was freaky. Did you feel like you were about to flip the car?
No, I knew it was gonna happen. Hey, you need a ride?
Yeah.
Let me hop on in.
Hitchhiking.
Okay, well that wasn't nearly as muddy as I remembered in the past, and it was kind of dry, but we'll see. There should be a lot of bumps and stuff going out, and this actually might be a good thing to get out and film from the side a little bit.
Can we get out?
See if our clearance angles make it.
Can I?
They might not.
Get out?
Looking for the front and rear to see if it clears this dip. In the front and the rear.
Man, what should I do? See that thing walking at it? That's the spider.
Yeah.
It's inside.
All right, Isaac, we're doing some videoing, okay? What's wrong?
A mattress?
Yeah.
Oh,
Why do people junk up the world? I don't like it.
I got the I saw the mattress.
Oh, that looks freaky.
I kind of want to go up the steep part of it.
No.
Oh boy.
You know, video it?
Yeah.
We'll probably get stuck.
Craziness.
Dad!
Just the angle, no way does it justice at all. Oh. Oh. We're scraping a little bit. Ah.
Why we have a skid plate?
Cake.
cake, yeah.
What are we coming to, like a river or something?
Yeah, there's like a
That's what it
canal.
looks like, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to go in the river. Don't go
Whoa.
down here.
We're not gonna go in the
It's
river,
pretty
buddy.
cool.
Crazy.
Something sounds funny under the car right now.
Daddy, guess
It's
what?
pretty cool though.
This is a good river for froggies. It
Yeah,
might
there
even
could
have.
be.
It might even have.
Could be some frogs, huh?
Yeah. I just saw a blubber. I wanted a blubber, so now I got 2 orange blobbers. But I have the other orange blubber since I didn't have one. A red blubber. I saw a red blubber. Okay, fine. You can have the orange blubber instead of the red blubber. And it was really, really cool. I saw another orange blubber.
The mud coming off the tires?
Maybe, I guess that's what it is.
You got
I don't remember this place being so far back here, like having like so much to
I
drive
remember
to.
it being this long. They've fixed the road, I can tell, since the last time I was here. It was in a lot worse condition.
Right.
But this is gonna pop out to the road that goes to the neighborhood.
Dad, why are you going this fast?
Just driving, buddy.
It's a mud.
Hey guys, what did you think about when the car slipped over on and fell down a little bit?
Me, good.
Did it scare you?
No, I think it's good.
Did you like it?
A little bit.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you like it, Evan?
Wait
No.
for connection.
Honey, I think Evan's gonna throw up.
So we were playing at the playground, but then the boys got bored, so we went and we found a ditch. Ditches are some of the best places to go.
Really
It is cool.
Look at this.
That's a big piece of rope, huh?
We have a worm on it.
Whoa, you found a worm?
Yeah.
Eli, drop that.
Awesome.
That's so gross.
It's not gross, it's just a rope.
It's wrong.
Gross.
It's just a dirty, wet rope.
Yeah,
It's got a worm in it, Mommy.
in a ditch.
He found a worm in it, though.
Gross.
No, that's
Say it
awesome.
again. Gross.
He's hiding in there, Eli.
Yeah.
Dude, we're gonna be eating.
Do you have a worm
Where is
too,
it?
Evan? Nice. You found one too?
I got it.
Did you get him, Eli? Let me see.
Ooh, yeah.
You like finding worms?
Yeah, this is a pretty cool, but
Let's climb up right here. Let's see who can do it. It's really slippery. Let's see, Evan. Can you climb up?
no.
Eli can barely do it. I think he's going to fall all the way back down if he's not careful.
I'm starting to already fall. I don't let this worm go.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Daddy.
Did you do it, Eli?
Almost. Dad. There.
Isaac, can you climb up over here? Eli, good job, buddy. All right, let's see if you can climb up, Isaac. I want to see. It's really slippery. Can you do it too, Evan?
No.
Let's see if he can do it.
That way.
Okay, you can go back that way.
And Dad, can you do it?
Let's see. After Isaac. You using those roots for help, Isaac?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. It helped you a lot, didn't it? Good job, Isaac. You made it.
You're the room's right here.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
We're going to try to go up this steep, slippery slope. You ready?
Okay.
What happens if I fall, buddy?
You will
Oh.
hit the shed.
We'll hit our heads.
Yeah.
All right, this is going to be a leap of faith. You ready?
Yeah.
Huh!
Dad, I don't want to go back to the playground. That's not nice. some water, right?
Yeah, it was like a ditch, but it was dry, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa! We made it! We made it! Well, unfortunately, that trail wasn't as challenging as we thought it was going to be. Like I said, we've been there before, and it was just a lot different last time. They've rebuilt the road since then. Check out the new addition to my skid plate. As you guys probably remember, I modified a skid plate off an F250. I believe it was like a transmission skid or a gas tank skid, and I modified it to fit just across the middle here, and it did a really good job protecting. But today I took some time and built a ramp on the front. It just goes up and around this toe shackle, and so far I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Only time will tell, see how it holds up, but I basically accomplished my goals, which was to have a skid plate, but to make sure it didn't impact my clearance as much as possible. So the little bolts that hold it on, you know, I've definitely lost a little bit of clearance there, but for the protection, I think it's worth it.